शुमाली जिला बाड़ीपुरा में एक अदालत ने चेक बाउंस मामले में कसूरवार को 1 साल कैद और 12 लाख रुपए बतौर मुआवजा अदा करने की सजा सुनाई। जुडिशल मजिस्ट्रेट सुंबल ने 8 साल पुराने चेक बाउंस मामले में मुतासरा शख्स बशीर अहमद डार साकने हाजन को बड़ी राहत देते हुए मुलजिम को कसूरवार करार देते हुए 1 साल कैद और मुतासरा शख्स को 12 लाख रुपए बतौर मुआवजा अदा करने की सजा सुनाई है। अवामी हल्कों ने इस काबिल सताइश के लिए दिल की गहराइयों से जज साहिबा की तारीफ की है। मुकामी लोगों ने कहा कि इंसाफ के तय इस फैसले ने एक ताकतवर मिसाल कायम की है। मुलजिम को सुनाई गई सजा और मुतासरा को दिया गया मुआवजा कानून की पासदारी और सबके लिए इंसाफ को यकीनी बनाने के लिए अदालत की लगन का सबूत है। उन्होंने कहा यह फैसला न सिर्फ मुतासरा को सुकून फराहम करेगा बल्कि इस तरह की धोखाधड़ी की सरगर्मियों के खिलाफ एक मजबूत रोकथाम का काम भी करेगा। उन्होंने मजीद कहा अदालत आलिया खुसूसन जज साहिबा की कोशिशों ने हमारे इलाके को उम्मीद और यकीन दिलाया है और हम उनकी खिदमत के लिए वाकई शुक्रगुजार हैं। पेशी सुंबल बाड़ीपुरा से वैली ऑनलाइन के लिए प्रिंस अयाज की ये रिपोर्ट।
Yes, I must tell you just before we are coming out from the open court of Judicial Magistrate Sumbal, wherein the Honorable Court has announced a judgment in a check bounce case. It was titled as Bashir Ahmad Dar versus Ghulam Hasan Bhatt. As per the announcement of the Honorable Court has convicted the accused for a punishment of 1 year and fine to the tune of rupees 12 lakhs. I must tell you that as you have seen here in the court premises, everybody is appreciating the judgment passed by the Honorable Court of Judicial Magistrate Sumbal. The judgment is appreciated by all in the sense that it will serve a deterrence to those who are extorted in issuing the checks, knowing that the amount at their credit is not sufficient to honor their commitment by way of checks. But despite having knowledge of this fact that ultimately there will be the conviction, but some people are issuing the checks under this impression that delay is occurring in the court of law and sometimes it may happen under this belief that the complainant will lose hopes and case will be dismissed. But this did not happen, and this is not happening in all the cases. Another aspect of the matter is that this judgment will serve also to the purpose that you will see the complainant who is being dedicated. And I remember from the day of institution of this petition, the complainant was firm, confident, and one word, only one word I have seen always in his mouth, that was ultimately I will get justice. This is one aspect of the matter. Secondly, we must appreciate the Honorable Court, Honorable Judge, who has made her efforts. I remember this file, we have argued this file thrice, and it took 8 years elaborate trial in conclusion, and today the conclusion is before the public, before the this complainant and before the accused, who has been just now sent to the judicial custody for a period of 1 year. We must appreciate the Honorable Judge because this file, it was a big file it has turned it, a massive file it has turned it. It might have took a number of days for the judge to compile the file. We are appreciating the complainant as well, who being very dedicated in the case and shown all those who have lost faith or who are under this impression that there is delay occurring in the court of law, and this complainant is here, very much here, and he had shown to everybody that even if there is a delay, but after the delay there is the justice. He got the justice and he got him punished, he got amount in the check. This serves the purpose to the society, the deterrence to the society, and especially deterrence to those who are extorted in issuing the checks, knowing that they have no amount at their credit. Apart from that, I am thankful to my colleagues and co-colleagues, Advocate Ghulam Hasan Saab, Advocate Mushtaq Saab, Advocate Jameel Saab, and other advocates who worked very hard although were my assistants in this case, who worked very hard in the battle of this justice. We are thankful to the Honorable Judge, we are thankful to the complainant, and I am thankful to my colleagues. Thank you very much. For experience of 20 years, and during these 20 years, I have seen only 3 convictions herein. But we will expect, because there is the judge now, and we have got the steno as well. We have got all facilities available which were hindering in pronouncing these judgments or disposal of the cases, and we have now the steno available here, and there is no such problem now. And henceforth we will believe that there will be justice. That too very speedy.
محمد ڈار صناف عبد الخالق ڈار کاٹھپورہ کا رہنے والا ہے. بہٕ چھُس سٮ۪ٹھاہ شُکر گُزار سُمبل کوٹُک ییٚمۍ مےٚ آز 8 وٕہٕرۍ اِنصاف میلیو. بہٕ چھُس سٮ۪ٹھاہ شُکر گُزار ؤکیٖل صٲبُن ییٚمۍ واریاہ محنت کٔر اَتھ پٮ۪ٹھ. مےٚ میلیو آز اِنصاف. بہٕ چھُس سٮ۪ٹھاہ شُکر گُزار یِہُنٛد. چک ٲس 8 لَچھ رۄپیہِ، تِم آسہٕ 2 چک. تَتھ کوٚر 12 لَچھ رۄپیہِ 1 ؤری سزا. بہٕ چھُس سٮ۪ٹھاہ شُکر گُزار سُمبل کوٹُک جج صٲبُن ؤکیٖل صٲبُن یِمو واریاہ محنت کٔر اَتھ پٮ۪ٹھ.